Hi students, 12th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 2, Exercise Sum number 22. The following receipt and payment amount account Neyveli Science Club for the year ended 31st December 2018. Receipt and payment details is given here. Let's read it. Okay. So balance brought on. This is the opening balance of the cash in hand, and subscription. All the receipt item we have to consider or treated as the income, and all the expenses item we have to treat it as the income. Okay, so life membership fees, it's a liability item, it's a capital receipt, because once in a life only, once in a year only, the members of the science club will pay the fees. Okay, so it's a capital receipt. It's a non-recurring item. Okay, exhibition fund receipt, exhibition fund, tournament fund, sports fund, match fund, like this fund we have to enter it to liability side. Okay, so this fund item we have to, this exhibition expenses we have to subtract it with the specific exhibition fund on the liability side of the balance sheet as per the format. Okay, so sale of science equipments. So science equipment is an asset item, but here what they given, sale of science equipment 6,000 rupees, book value 5,000 rupees. So book value is less than that of the sale of science equipment, so it's a profit. So profit on sale of science equipment will be appear on income side, miscellaneous income. Then balance brought, opening balance of the bank overdraft will not appear on the income and expenditure item. Okay, so postage expenses is an expenses. Science equipment purchased, listen here, science equipment is a asset item. Why? Because science, it is a non-consumable, it's a non-recurring item. If they given science material, like what is say for example, science material means glass, ceramics, this is a consumable item. But what they given here, if the consumable item we have to enter it on, if you they given science material purchased, you have to enter it on expenditure side. Okay, it's a consumable, but they have given science equipment purchase, it's an asset item, because beakers, say for example flask, beakers, microscope, okay, test tube, these and all are not consumable item. Okay, it's a capital receipt, it will be appear on equipment is an asset item, it will be appear on asset side. Laboratory expenses is an expenses. Secretary honorarium, it's like a remuneration salary. Okay, it's a expenses. Audit fees is an expenses. General charges is an expenses. Then balance, closing balance of cash in hand, cash at bank will be appear on asset side. Apart from this, they have given additional information. Okay, that is opening capital fund is given here. Okay, it will be appear on liability side. Subscription includes 600 rupees for the year 2019. Listen here, we have the subscription 8,700, subscription received 8,700. Here what they given, subscription includes 600 rupees for the year 2019. So 2018 is the current accounting period, 2019 they have given here 2019 subsequent year. So it includes 8,700 rupees. So we have to not consider about the future subscription, previous subscription and future subscription. So we have to subtract this 600 rupees from the 8,700 rupees as per the format. Okay. Then science equipment as on 1/1/2018 is 5,000 rupees. 1/1 means what? Opening balance of the science equipment will be added on asset side. Okay. Then surplus on account of exhibition should be kept in the reserve for the new auditorium. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018 and the balance sheet on the date. Let's go to prepare the income and expenditure account. Okay. First we have to write the heading, that is in the books of Neyveli Science Club income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018. Format also written here. Okay. We already marked in what are the items will be appear on expenditure side on the question. Okay. As per the format, on expenditure side we have to write postage expenses, laboratory expenses, secretary honorarium, audit fees, general charges. And on income side, by subscription 8,700, subscription in advance this is 2019th subscription included 600 rupees. Okay, so we are going to prepare the 2018 current year subscription 600 rupees included with that 8,700. We need not consider about the future subscription, so we have to subtract the 600 from 8,700. You will get 8,100 rupees. Then profit on sale of science equipment books, that difference is 1,000 rupees entered, and miscellaneous income 500 rupees. You will get the total on debit side 13,000 rupees. So if you get the total on debit side, you will get the deficit difference value on credit side. So that is deficit excess of expenditure over income. We have to subtract this value from the capital fund on liability side of the balance sheet. Okay, now we are going to prepare the balance sheet. The heading is balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. Format is written here. On asset side, cash in hand, cash at bank, science equipment, we have 5,000 rupees. Okay, listen. Science equipment, we have opening balance of the science equipment 5,000 rupees. We have to add the additional science equipment 10,000 rupees with the opening balance of the science equipment. Okay, so after the added you will get 15,000. Then you sold science equipment, that book value you have to subtract that book value. Okay, 5,000 rupees. So as per the format, we subtracted sale of equipment, that book value is 5,000 rupees. We will get 10,000 rupees. Okay. Then on liability side, opening capital, that means capital fund 6,400, and we have to subtract deficit 3,400. You will get 3,000 rupees. Life membership fees 5,000 rupees and subscription advance 600 rupees. Exhibition fund receipt 7,000 rupees. We have the exhibition fund 7,000. We have to subtract exhibition expenses 5,000 from the specific exhibition fund. Okay, so after subtracted you will get 2,000 rupees. Then you will get the total, equal total on asset and liability, that is 10,600 on both asset and liability side. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.